Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Kids Learning.
Let's learn the English alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for key. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. S for sunflower. T for table. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Z for zero.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos.